Myself, Mrs. Mandeep Kaur, Principal Budding Brains International School. Warm greetings to all. My heartiest welcome to respected IC team members, Ma'am Anuradha Joshi, Principal Sardar Patel Vidyalay, New Delhi, and Sir Nadesan Kangwan, Principal Aditya Vidyashram, Pondicherry. I also welcome CBSE officials on the virtual tour of Budding Brains International School, Raikot, for the purpose of VIOS. At present, we are at the main entrance of the school, gate number 1. This is gate number 2, again guarded by 2 guards, where children are picked and dropped. Moving towards the swimming pool, the school is a proud owner of indoor swimming pool, and we are the sole owners of the pool in the city that measures 13 meter by 25 meter with the depth of 5.5 feet. Surprisingly, it is half the Olympic size. Now let's have the overview of the entire school premises. Here we can witness the green belt area. Constant efforts are made to make the environment pollution free for children. You can see the new constructed building. Here is the parking lot of the school. The camera is on the fire tender path that surrounds the school building, which further adds to the safety of the building. The school building spreads over 9 acres of land. The green area and the school building speaks volume about the care that is being taken to make the aesthetic and academic spirit in the school. We are moving towards the front side of the school, where we have herbal garden and the play station for children. You can see the lush green playgrounds of the school where children visit regularly and refresh themselves. Now, while moving ahead, on the right side of the main gate, we see a building under construction which will be accommodating the senior secondary students. So in the coming year, this will be the senior wing. Here you see the left side boundary of the school building. The main gate, gate number 1 of the school, which is 24/7 guarded by 2 guards. This is the inside view of the building. After crossing gate number 2, on the right side is the play station for junior students, and the adjacent side has sprawling lush green lawns where students come during their recess in the winter's time. This is the top of the swimming pool area, and the top floor, which is under construction, is witnessed in this video. Coming to the parking lot, the school possesses a fleet of 11 buses, all enabled with CCTV camera and GPS system. Under the Safe School Vahan rule, a lady attendant is provided to all the buses, and well-trained drivers are recruited. The assembly area. The same sprawling playgrounds are used for assembly area, where every morning students gather here for a divine start of the day. Now we are watching the playgrounds of the school. First of all, this is badminton court located in the central lawn of the school. Here children come in their games period and enjoy the game under their able coaches. This is basketball court and the coach Mr. Varinder Singh helped the children to learn the game by heart. It is followed by the skating rink and we are the proud owners of the first skating rink in the city. It is 25 meters by 30 meters dimension and for early learners, the rink is provided with grill on 4 sides. This is a Kho-Kho ground where children are prepared for competitions at various levels. Now you are watching the football ground of the school and this is the place where children enjoy the most. Adjoining the football ground is the volleyball court and the senior students most probably they come and enjoy the game. The practice of all these outdoor games is given in the Evening Sports Academy run by the school PTIs. This is the compound science lab of the school where children learn basic experimental skills. This is the place where children learn by doing, as we all believe in the saying, I learn science only when I do science. Our science labs are well equipped with all the required scientific instruments and equipments. Science labs are maintained and supervised by the well-qualified science teachers. The stock register, students' attendance register, as well as activity registers all are maintained by the science teachers. Every year, the science lab is updated and the list of requirement is met immediately by the school management. Here they run one science wall magazine named Uday and the science club Protons. This is to develop the scientific temperament of children. These are the charts and the models prepared by children from time to time. As on National Science Day, the school organizes science exhibition where the parents of the students are called. Keeping the chemicals in open could be dangerous to the students. So, keeping the safety of the students in mind, Every time after use, these chemicals are kept under lock in the almirahs. These almirahs are time to time supervised and maintained by the teachers with the help of students. The science lab is divided into two areas. At one place, the students take up their experiments, and the other one is used as a classroom. Science is one such subject which every student finds interesting, and if these science labs are well equipped, updated time to time, it helps the students to learn more by doing. At present, we are visiting the computer lab of the school. Welcome to the computer lab. If library is the soul of the school, the computer lab is the brain, rightly said. At BBIS, in total we have 14 computers in the lab. Every class enjoys 2 periods of computer per week, and here computers are allotted roll number wise so that there should be no hush-ups, no hustle-bustle in the computer period. You are watching the notice board of the computer lab where they have put up various informations regarding computers. Various parts of computer are shown over here. All charts are prepared by children. Various instructions are given to the students. Turn off your computers when it is not in use. Here are the rules and regulations to be followed in the computer lab, and at the top of the list is keep silence. For the technical temperament of students, Computer Club organizes various activities which help the students to increase their typing speed, studying at computer, use of internet, as these days online classes have made all these things important for all, for students as well as for parents. Computer lab also act as the resource center where teachers come and plan their lessons for the coming days. to be shown to the students on the smartboard. Computer teachers are always there to help our teachers who want to know more about the computers and the internet. So this is the most modern and updated computer lab of BPIS. On the ground floor is the E block for the pre-primary wing. Here children come according to their roll numbers and have the practical knowledge about the alphabets and the numbers. The pronunciation of children gets corrected over here. These are the classrooms for junior wing, grade 1st and grade 2nd. This is the inside view of pre-primary wing, the KG classes. Here is the soul of the institution, the school library. To develop the inner and mental abilities of students, the school library is equipped with more than 1600 books. A spacious library provides a perfect ambience for the students to enjoy and read the books of their interest. This is the section where newspapers are kept. The school receives 4 newspapers, 2 of English and 2 vernaculars. These all cupboards are fully equipped with books. This contains the dictionaries and the encyclopedias, magazine area. The school librarian keeps the record of all the books and magazines received by the school. The stock register is maintained by her. See the books kept in the cupboard by the school librarian so that it should be convenient for the students and the teacher to locate any book anytime. There is a free access for all children and students to visit the library anytime and get the books issued for them. These books include fiction, non-fiction, periodicals, poetry, and many more. Every class gets 1 period a week to visit the library. So all are well acquainted with the rules and regulations of library and rules regarding the issue of the books. Now we will be visiting the rest rooms of the school, the toilet areas. In total, the school is having 36 toilets, that is 18 for boys and 18 for girls. Separate toilets are available at each floor for girls and boys. This is the view of boys' toilet. Urinals are also available in boys' toilets. Every care is taken to maintain the hygienic conditions in the toilet area. Two Indian style seats are also provided. In front of you are the girls' toilet. As I have already told you that we have 18 toilet seats for girls also. Here again, every step is taken to maintain the hygienic conditions in the area. Regular attendants are available separately for girls' washrooms and boys' washroom. Regular cleaning of the washrooms is given utmost priority. Coming to the drinking area, on each floor, drinking area is provided and school has RO filter plant so that students should enjoy the clean water. Here you see the water cooler to be used by students and sometimes by teachers also during summer time. This is the first floor drinking area. Regular cleaning of the area is an important part of the daily routine. In total, the school possesses 6 different water areas, 2 on each floor. Now coming to the safety of the students and school building. Number of fire safety equipments are installed at various floors. Fire extinguishing hose of 30 meters is directly fitted with the special water tanks which are totally dedicated for this purpose. There are fire extinguisher cylinders on each floor. Here you see the fire extinguisher hose. Fire safety norms are followed as per National Building Code. All equipments, including fire extinguisher and fire tanks, are in working mode on each floor. Coming towards the documents, the fire safety certificate is renewed on 20th February 2020 and is valid up to February 2021. Time to time, fire officers visit to check the arrangement of fire safety. Special emergency exits are also provided from each floor to ensure the safety of the students and the staff present in the school premises. At present, we are traveling through the ground floor, completely dedicated for the pre-primary and primary wing. Classes from nursery till grade 2nd are here. This is the sports room area, followed by E block. Here you see classes for UKG and grade 1 and grade 2. You can see the bulletin boards prepared by teachers and their children. This is the inside view of the classroom. Here you see the little hands at work. This is the self-attendance system. In the morning, children come and mark themselves present. We have come to the first floor of the building where classes from 2nd till 10th are located. Here you are seeing the bulletin boards prepared by students on different topics. And recently they have prepared the bulletin boards on the current topic, Corona pandemic. This is classroom 5. Inside view of the room. Children prepared the charts from home and teachers came to the school and installed them. All classes are smart classes. The school embraced the technology to enrich the learning process. This is the second floor where classes 6th and 7th are taken. Along with that, music room, dance room is provided here. This floor has the library and the auditorium. Plus, there are certain rooms which are under construction. At present, we are moving through the corridor in front of classes 6th and 7th. The inside view of the classes. The spacious rooms add to the ambience for studying well in the class. At present, we are visiting the upgraded and newly constructed rooms. Certain rooms were completed last year and few are under construction. There are 5 rooms ready for +1 classes where 95% of the work is done. Only the installation of boards and smart classes is pending. This entire floor is for the senior secondary section. This is the top floor and the new block coming up, which will accommodate the secondary and senior secondary students. Here we are for the indoor games activity room. This is a recreational room for children. When due to intense heat, they don't feel like going outside. They come here and refresh themselves. They play with carom boards and chess with their friends as well as teachers. This is a big attraction for the children during summers. A huge and spacious auditorium is available at the second floor. This hall serves dual purposes. During exams, it is used as examination hall, and the other times it is used for conducting different curricular activities. It accommodates about 200 students at a time. This hall is mainly used by the pre-primary students. They conduct various functions where they invite the parents also in this hall. Even the parent orientation programs or workshops or seminars for teachers are held over here. The activity room at the ground floor is the main center of attraction for pre-primary wing students, as the junior students visit this room regularly on daily basis. They watch videos, cartoons, play with blocks and other games according to their age groups. Daily they visit here for one period, and sometimes teachers take their orals like storytelling or rhymes in this period. This is coming out of their four walls regular classrooms, which refresh them. Let's visit the infirmary of the school, the wellness room or the medical room. The first aid kit is always ready to provide emergency services to the students or the other members of the school. Here, students can rest and recover when they need medical attention. Health is about everyday practice, and a dedicated infirmary with a trained wellness teacher ensures that. This is the place where health record of children is placed. Their height, weight, eye checkup and dental care record are kept by the wellness teacher. Certificate Appendix 3 for upgrade of already affiliated school wide order number 20206236 dated 23rd June 2020. Notarized affidavit by the Society President Mr. Pavandeep Singh Dhillon as per the performer of affiliation bylaws. Safety certificate issued on 20th February 2020 valid up to March 2021 as per National Building Code. Building Safety Certificate issued by SDE PWD B&R wide letter number 36 dated 24th May 19 valid up to 31st March 2020, and new application was delayed due to COVID and now application has been submitted. The vision and mission of the school is clearly explicit in the reception area so that parents and students should be clear about it. Annual planner contains the curriculum and syllabus for the entire year, which is provided to students in the beginning. Syllabus is prepared for all classes for all subjects. Teacher trainings are provided and they are given under hubs of learning various opportunities to get themselves trained. And record is maintained in the school. Parent orientation programs are held in the school. Teachers training, in-house training as well as other resource persons are invited time to time. Portfolios of different teachers are clear to them, and the circular regarding this is made available to the teachers and they are displayed on the boards in the staff rooms also. Curricular activities, an important part of the school, help the student for their overall development. Here Special care is taken regarding the academics, physical fitness, as well as other creativities. Teacher registers, teachers' diaries are maintained by them on regular basis. Daily planners are there in which they note down the learning outcomes for the coming sessions according to their syllabus and their chapters included in their subjects. Parent Teacher Association register is maintained and time to time meetings are held on regular basis. Suggestions given by parents are always welcome. Parent orientation is held in the beginning of the session and in between the session also. The annual planner, the curriculum of the school is given in a printed form to the students so that they should be acquainted with the syllabus to be covered in the coming time. The assessment of the student is clear from the report cards in which every aspect of the student is carried out. Student record register is maintained while PTMs and which is shown to the parents on regular basis. To inculcate the qualities of leadership, student proctorial board is conducted in which they are given different responsibilities. This is the session taken by the counselors on stress management, on pariksha, pe charcha. Students are well disciplined. Physical education, an important part of school curriculum. Different physical activities, outdoor and indoor, are conducted. Medical camps are held. Vision checkup as well as dental checkup is a regular routine of the school. To be eco-friendly, rainwater harvesting system has been installed in the school. Such activities make school an eco-friendly school.
My name is Navkir Kaur. I am a science teacher of Budding Brains International School, Raipur. I have done MSc MEd. My master's is in chemistry. To boost the interest of students, we have established a science lab in our school where we have ample of material. Every year on 28 Feb, we celebrate National Science Day to remark the discoveries of Nobel Prize winner Sir C.V. Raman. In our school, we have a wall magazine, Uday, and a science club, Proton. Thank you.
I am Anvit Kaur. I have done my master's in biochemistry. As we know, science is a systematic study of law of nature, plants, animal, human beings, nature and space. We study the chemical and physical properties. In our school, we encourage our students with the various science activities like poster making, exhibition, and demonstrate with the various experiments, and we keep the record of them. Thank you.
My name is Jagdeep Kaur. I teach computer here in BBIS. We have fully equipped computer labs for students where they learn all the basic to moderate level of computer function and softwares. In the challenging time of COVID-19 pandemic, we teach our students online interactive classes, virtual and content learning classes. Our emphasis is to engage students in online study and learning activities. Thank you.
Myself, Harvinder Singh Sanguda. I am teaching computers here at Budding Brains International School. My job is to facilitate the students how to use technology. As we all know, now in this pandemic, technology is only the way to learn, to teach, or to use our studies.
I, Jagjot Kaur, have done my Masters in Mathematics and have Bachelor's degree in Education. I am a maths teacher in Budding Brains International School, Raipur. Here we focus to develop critical thinking, analytical thinking, problem-solving skills of a child, which creates their interest in mathematics and also helps them to relate the concept with the day-to-day life situations. Thank you.
I am Sukhjot Kaur. I have been appointed as a special educator. I have completed my post-graduation diploma in counseling psychology, and my elective was children with special need. I had done my BSc in home science. We have online counseling sessions for students as well as for parents. Time to time workshops are held by the experienced counselors, particularly for the stress management, peer pressure, and the problem faced by the young children. I also take art period for junior classes.
I am Parminder Kaur. I am Masters in Library Science. We are having 1624 books in our library, which includes books on fiction, non-fiction, poetry, then periodicals and daily newspapers. There is one period per class a week. Different activities like daily newspaper, use of dictionaries are held. All students and teachers have open access to the material available in the library. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shelly Verma. I'm an English teacher in Budding Brains International School. My qualification is MA English B.Ed. Our campus language is English, and our motto is to enable to each and every student to speak in English. For that, we are organized different types of competitions to enhance the 4 skills in our students. So as we can say that quiz competition, newspaper reading competition, debates, and for enhancing the vocabulary, we are giving new words and thought every day to each and every student. Thank you.
I am Rajvinder Kaur, wellness teacher at Budding Brain International School, Raipur. I have done general nursing and midwifery. I have 10 years of experience. I take care of the students by giving them first aid as and when required. And dental and eye checkup camps are conducted on regular basis. The records of height and weight of the student is maintained at the end of session. Thank you.
I am Amandeep Kaur, sports teacher of BBIS Raipur. My qualifications are MSc MPhil in sports sciences and my specialization is exercise physiology. Here is my team, Ms. Sarabjit Kaur, Kho-Kho coach, and Mr. Varinder Kumar, basketball coach. We are running many sports disciplines in our school like Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, swimming, athletics, football and basketball. Apart from this, we are running Morning Academy, which is free of cost for our students and for the outside students. Moreover, our students participate on the state level, which is very big achievement for our school. Thank you.